Hello and welcome. So this is one of the very first videos in this new series of tutorials on Python, especially focused towards data analysis and scientific computing. So we'll jump right in. In this video, I'll just walk you through how to install Python. So we will be using the Anaconda distribution of Python. So for that, you can download it. Anaconda Python download. Download it from the Anaconda website. So I'll put this link in the description. So you don't have to register. You can skip registration here. Download. So you may download the appropriate version, whether you depending on whether you're on Linux or Windows. And yeah, once the download has finished, we can install it. Installation is pretty straightforward, just the usual stuff. Accept the license. Alright, we have now installed the Anaconda distribution, so we can just open it. We can open it by searching for Anaconda Navigator. We shall be using the Spider IDE in all of the in most of the discussions going forwards. There's a new version. Okay, so we will be using the Spider IDE and we shall launch this. Alright, we have successfully installed Python in our computers now, and in the next video I shall be quickly walking you through these IDE, the key elements of Spider IDE. IDE is Integrated Development Environment. It's a fancy way of saying the platform on which we are going to work. So stay tuned and see you soon. Bye.